Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another video. And guys, in today's video it's going to be such a critical one that I think will be absolutely instrumental to not only people that have been trading for a while now, but especially beginner traders that are coming in and starting to learn to trade and starting to understand how markets work and how everything works. And it comes down to the saying that people talk about, this phrase, which is trading is 90% psychology and 10% strategy. And I look at what most people do, because what most people are doing is usually a very slow way of doing things. It's very a lethargic way. It's normally following a crowd for something. And when people are coming into the game of trading, the usual thought process is, again, for everyone is, oh, okay, I can deposit money, I can create a live account, I can start trading. And what happens is that either people blow accounts and they struggle, and then they eventually learn all these harsh processes and then go on this kind of upward trajectory of getting better and better. So essentially, when people come into trading, they're all looking to make profits from the very get-go. Essentially, find a strategy, start trading it, demo trade it, or backtest it, and then go in and trade with the live markets, and then suffer from blown accounts. And this is the thing. Even if trading is 90% psychology, 10% strategy, aren't most people in that kind of scenario working towards the 10% side? Why is no one focusing on the 90% side? Why is no one focusing on the psychology side? So if I asked you right now, what have you done, or what did you do when it comes to working on your psychology or mindset? Because anyone that's come into trading, they've all done the same thing, which is try and find a strategy or try and find a broker, put money in and begin trade. No one has worked on the 90%, which is the psychology, the mindset, right? So the question is, how do you work on the mindset? Because I guarantee most people that will be watching this video, what is it exactly step by step that you are doing to change your mental framework? For example, if I said, when you take a loss, do you have a step-by-step thought process to think that will help you manage your emotions? Do you think X, Y, Z when X happens, or when A happens, for example? Do you have a process of something when these things happen in your trading? Not only in your trading, but when things happen in your life. Say, for example, if you begin to feel anger, do you think X, Y, Z? Or do you just be like, okay, I'm feeling anger, I need to just emotionally respond, right? So this is the thing. If trading is 90% psychology and 10% strategy, and everyone is working on the strategy side of it, either trying to find the golden strategy or trying to find the strategy that makes them or suits their personality, why is no one talking about the 90% psychology side? Why is no one focusing on the mindset side? How do you program your brain so that you handle losses better, you're more confident to take challenges, you're more confident in your trade plan? No one talks about that. So this is something I thought I would bring awareness to people, because again, it's so key. I think that people, especially traders, should work out what is it about this psychology that needs improvement. If you guys listed out, for example, 10 things, 10 weaknesses that you thought, okay, I don't have a process for this, I need a process for this, because if I feel X, then Y happens, right? A mental framework to intervene and to help control emotion, that's the key, right? Again, that's the majority, that's the thing that we want to be focusing on, because it's 90% of the side of it, right? So this is the thing. What is it that you are doing to help your mindset? What are you doing to help your psychology for your trading or in life in general? That's the key. If everyone came into trading, in fact, it's not even going to happen. Everyone's not going to come into trading and think of improving their mindset, even though eventually they have to, because they suffer so much from blown accounts or losses. What is it that you can do or you can think to help you not only trade better, to manage your habits better in your day-to-day life? What is it that you are doing to effectively reprogram yourself consistently and improve your mindset? So guys, I would love to hear, what are you guys doing? Please message me down in the description below. Because like I said, again, if anyone's watching this video, I highly recommend to work on the mindset side before even looking on the strategy side. Because if, like I said, if it's 90% psychology, that's where we should be focusing on, right? It's the mindset side. So this is the thing. If people are focusing on the mindset, when it comes to trading, it should be a lot easier, swifter. And to be honest, all the hits and hurdles that everyone goes through, even that I've been through, shouldn't really happen. Because why? Because you've got the mindset on lock. So guys, feel free to message me out, DM me on my Instagram, or feel free to check out my website down below and contact me through there. But again, I think this is a bigger conversation to be had. The mindset element versus the strategy element or the prop funded challenge element, that is the key. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this does bring awareness into what you can do versus just looking at trading strategy and thinking of how I can live trade or how I can land the next funded challenge account. What is it about the mindset that you can improve? Anyway, take care, guys, and peace.